Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track our organized travel expenses on iPhone. So you will be just tap on your app store and make sure you will have just download this application which is called Buddy Money Budget Planner. So I will already download it. I will just open it simply. So you will just right over here, you will just add your credit card or your bank simply. So if you just add your spending account and you will be just tap on it like list. So you will just simply if you want to see the demo what is work, so you will just tap on it simply and it will be just create a try out budget data. So in this way you will just add your monthly income or your expenses or balance, so it will just show you the like data of this. So I will just go back and you will just disable the all data. So I will just tap on it like budget and I want to like add some categories like travel, and I will be just give them a name of flight, and I will be just add some balance of like I want to expense flight ticket on $500 and you will just save it. And again you just add category like taxi airport. I will just choose it taxi and I will be just try it like $50 example, and simply just tap on it save. Again I will just tap on it like hotel, choose category, and the hotel expense across like $300 and just tap on it. So if I just again add like dinner, or you will just find it like restaurant, and the restaurant cost on $40, so just save it. So I will be just add some my travel expenses and I will just organize it by this application. So you will see this is 890 total of my expenses on my travel. So in this way you will just have to organize your travel expenses on this application and you will just track it how much expenses you will just spend it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.